Hi, beautiful people. So you're welcome back to my channel. Yay! All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching me from. You're welcome to my channel, and also if this is the first time, I say welcome. So on this video is an interesting one. Guess what we're making? You saw that before you entered this video. That I know just now. Okay, so we're making a cake smash. Yay! 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 A cake smash. We're decorating a 6 inches cake, vanilla cake, as a cake smash. Yeah. So this video particular is for the mommies that have a 1 year old baby, boy or a girl, and you want to make a cake smash for your baby's birthday photo shoot. You know that little cake that you see little babies catching here and there. You know that. All right, just stay tuned, relax, grab a popcorn, and enjoy because it's going to be an interesting one. Thank you for coming. Hi, beautiful people. So you're welcome back. Let's decorate this single layer 6 inches cake as a cake smash. So this is my first thing for the cake is a whipped cream. Is whipped cream frosting. If you can see it, this is my 1 layer 6 inches cake for the cake smash. I've got my offset spatula, my triangle scraper for decoration, designing on the cake. I've got some sprinkles for decoration, but I might not necessarily use it because it's for a 1 year old, for my daughter. Um, it's not advisable to use this. I don't even know why I brought this. Maybe just to pop up the video, just to add some colors and touch to the video I'm making. And here is my paper towel for cleaning or whatever I want to do. So start off by compressing the cake. And again, I also like to make this for moms that are not bakers. That's the main purpose of making the video for moms that are not bakers. Instead of paying for cake smash and paying for a real cake, another cake for a big birthday cake, you can decorate this cake smash at home. You can use a knife. I could remember when before I started baking my first baby, I baked his birthday cake, his first year birthday cake. I guess that was the inspiration that that guided me, that led me to baking today. Yeah. So I was on that baked his birthday cake. And could you imagine I did a rainbow cake? That is story for another day. Okay, let's just say what happened. I did a rainbow cake. I did bring cake, red, yellow. Um, Actually, it was funny because after that cake, everybody that ate it complained. I even saw it on my son's too. In my son's too, um, his pool was actually green. I was like, what's this? What's this? Hope I didn't get to poison anybody with my mixture of colors for the cake. Oh my goodness. If you're beginning, I advise you should just stay true to your vanilla cake because all this rainbow cake, red velvet cake, they are guide. Do you get? They are guide in how you could bake them. Baking a red velvet cake doesn't necessarily mean that you just add red color to it, or a green cake. Do you get green velvet cake? You need to know how to use proportion of baking soda and your vinegar because those ingredients I just mentioned now, it gives it um a balance kind of a balance to the cake itself. So instead of putting that green pea, you not put that green pea, you put a normal pea. Ah, oh my god. So you can see you can use a kitchen knife to decorate this. But me, I'm using my offset spatula. So I'm literally done here. So I'm gonna use my triangle scraper to design now. To design. I don't know if you can see the design is coming out good. Can also, we have to use the offset spatula to scrape the top. You could use your knife. Scrape, 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 scrape. Or use your triangle scraper. So this is also for design for the top. We're almost done with this cake, and within some minutes we're done, right? So we need to clear our board. You gently use the back of your knife and do this and scrape off, scrape off. So now we use our tissue paper towel to clean any excess frosting on our board to make it neat. Voila, it's almost ready. So guys, I've got two piping bags with nozzles. This silver thing is called nozzle. We use it for decorating. Just give you the effect on, you see, on most cakes. I'm going to show you that right now. You can get it in any big shop, a piping bag and a nozzle. So this is a stand nozzle. It's called 1M. This is also a stand nozzle. This is a small size and this is a big size. So we're going to start from the down. Let me try and decorate so you see what I'm doing. You just pipe it, push it a little bit, go back and front, back and front. So can you see the design on the cake? Beautiful, right? So this is what gives it the effect to see mostly on your cake. And here another one, like a rosette. Oops, it's almost finished. So as mom, if you cannot go through the stress, just send us a DM on Instagram at Camera Cakes, and we're always there to bake you cake smash, any other cake that you want to bake that you would love to order for. So this is a simple decoration for a 1-year-old cake smash. Number one, would have added sprinkles, but again, it's for a 1-year-old, so she doesn't choke on it. Alright, you could add a butterfly to it. See how gorgeous this cake looks. So easy to make. Make it at home as a mom. Just something you can play around with it. So this is what I'm doing for my baby's cake smash, 1-year-old. No sprinkles, just something that she can handle with and play with. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. See you guys next time. Please write in the comment section what you want me to bake next or decorate next. But I'm thinking of carrot cake. How about that? Yeah, carrot cake. Thank you. See you guys next time. Bye.